and welcome to MK Smiles Dental Clinic. During this coronavirus pandemic, if you have any dental problem, we are here to help you. We at MK Smiles Dental Clinic have upgraded ourselves with the required equipments and sanitization protocols. Once we confirm your appointment on call, we request you to preferably visit the clinic alone. When you reach our premises, first ring the bell and our front desk secretary will facilitate your entry. Before entering the clinic, your temperature will be recorded with the digital infrared thermometer. You will be asked to sanitize your hands with the non-contact sanitizer dispenser. After that, your oxygen saturation level will be recorded with the pulse oximeter. Only after confirming that all your parameters are within the normal range, you will be asked to enter the clinic. Once you enter, you will be provided with sterile foot covers, hand gloves, a new face mask and a head cap. Then you will be asked to keep all your belongings in the given Ziploc bag. As per the government issued guidelines, you will be asked to sign a written consent form stating that you have understood all the risks, benefits and options of treatment. After that, you will be sent to have a primary consultation with one of our specialist doctors where your problem will be thoroughly discussed along with the primary examination. If we feel that your problem can be solved on medication only, you will be prescribed the required medications and thus your unnecessary exposure to the operatory will be avoided. In case if we feel that you need further investigation, you will be asked to wait at the reception. Meanwhile, after checking the availability of the operatory room, the doctor in the respective operatory will be informed about your case. Then our front desk secretary will guide you to reach the respective operatory. The doctors in the operatory take all the precautions to avoid cross-contamination by wearing personal protective equipments which includes a face mask, eyewear, face shield, etc. Once you enter the operatory, you will be asked to make yourself comfortable on the dental chair by our dental assistant. Thorough examination will be carried out by the expert doctors with the help of latest digital imaging technology and radiographs, following strict sanitization protocols which will help you understand the course of treatment. As we know, most of the dental procedures produce aerosols. We have updated our clinic with the HEPA filters having plasma cluster technology to minimize the viral load in the surrounding air. As additional measures, we are using rubber dam isolation and high back suction, which further reduces the aerosol spread. The use of autoclave and UV chamber help us maintain proper sterilization of instruments. After completing the treatment, we prefer digital payment options to ensure safety. You can dispose of the given head cap, foot cover, face mask and the gloves once you step out of the clinic. We at MK Smiles make sure that after every patient, strict sanitization protocol is followed in the respective operatory. So here we are, ready with the new normal, promising you the safety and the best dental treatment in this pandemic.